Alright, this will be the chance for the Seagull models, silenced twister, Maiden Flight, electric conversion, and hopefully I put it together correctly. We're going to find out. So far, so good.
Looks like it's diving, right?
Got a little bit, yeah, a little bit.
It's not so much that you can't get your thumb off of it. Huh?
Let's come around here and I'll have you put in a few clicks just so I can. This sucker's fast.
About 3 clicks above.
Yes, please.
I just was afraid you couldn't get your thumb. Sometimes I'm flying them and I can't even, it's so bad I can't even get my thumb off of it.
Got it. Still a little bit nose heavy, but I did it that way on purpose because they say when these gear go up, it goes tail heavy. Now I'm going to try putting the flaps down a notch and see how it reacts to that.
Be flying level before you do it. There you go.
Alright, let's take off flaps. It's climbing a little.
Little balloon.
But not bad. Now it's actually handling a little better. No, not on this flight.
Okay. Looks like it flies pretty good. How's it controlled?
It handles good. It's fast.
Land it, put it back in the car.
Yeah. This is low rates. I've got 3 rate settings, and this is low, and it's pretty touchy even now.
Yeah.
I got a lot of expo in it too.
You're not used to that design, and you got your flaps.
All right, there's
too.
full flaps. Yeah, I'm checking it for trim. I better bring it in because I've never checked the batteries on this.
It's got power.
It's got a lot. I haven't even come close to full.
When it took off, it was still humming.
They recommended 8 cell, and this is on 6 but it's 3 batteries. I mean 2. It's 2 3 cells.
Flaps down on that?
Yep.
Coming out of your mouth, you wouldn't believe it anyway. Yeah, you would, because you know Joe. No, I really don't know him that well. You know. It's just like our local Jersey. That's right. Comes to me one day. You know, I'm kind of broke. I think I saw this competition over there where they're paying money for first place. I think I'm going to go. And I'll win that for sure. Good pilot, but oh shit.
That's gusty winds over there.
Huh?
Winds are getting me over there by the tree line.
Yeah, too close to the damn trees. Come on, it's a pretty plane. Let's keep it that way.
Bring it in and keep the nose down, but you already know that, don't you?
Touch that fence.
Nice. Not bad.
I think you need some more differential and all in there.
Hey, Mike.
Alright. The Seagull models, silenced twister, Maiden Flight. Everything seems to still be attached. So we'll call that one good.